How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Tonkeeper wallet is already installed on your device. If not, head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open the app, enter a login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is tap on buy or sell over here. Instead of buy, you have to move into sell section. And then from here, you have to choose the specific provider. Let me click on this one. Tap on open. So over here you can see it says insufficient fund. You don't have enough Ton on your balance to sell. But for you, if you have the sufficient fund, then what you want to do is you have to enter the desired value that you want to withdraw. Then choose from the currency option below. After that, just confirm it and then the converted amount should be on your bank account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can withdraw money from Tonkeeper wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.